What's up everybody, welcome to a new video. And yes, right now you can see that Bitcoin has been pumping for the last couple of hours. I was waiting for the FOMC minutes to finish so I can have a clear picture and not a lot of volatility, maybe because of the shutdown of the US government. But as of right now the price action looks good, but we can look to enter some short positions. As you can see right now, there is an order block at the current high, which will be slightly above the current high. So a lot of people would be looking to enter a short positions. So let's keep in mind that there is a lot of orders even above the order block. So if the price is going to go and reach the order block, there is a higher chance that we also take out the liquidity and then we continue towards the downside. So right now, if you notice on the whale orders, you can see there are a lot of sellers than buyers in the low. So a lot of people are still looking to sell exactly above the high. So similar to that, we can also expect a short position to be opened at least above this previous high. So right now, the trend is still up, but if you are an SMC trader, you would have been looking for the shift of market structure, and you're just going for a retracement from the high to the low. The golden pocket was also reached, and now there is some kind of rejection. But let's see what the price action can still look at. So before that, I want to invite you to my Discord trading group where I post analysis and also signals. So as of right now, we are still expecting some lower price action on all coins. So we are expecting the fourth wave to end at the 60.43 level, which will be the previous low of this first wave. So we are still waiting for that, and we were expecting the C wave exactly on this order block at 4.69 on the USDT dominance, and we got the rejection after reaching that level also. So in my Discord trading group, you can also get analysis where you can see we have I post like the fifth wave is about to end in the demand area, and you can look to enter some spot buy positions, and also you can also place the stop loss at the invalidation level and target at least 187%. So I have like GRT and I have CFX. We have also done a lot of analysis, so RLC, GLD. So if you want to check it out, just there is the link in the description where you can join. And right now, let's see what we can see on Bitcoin on the 1 day chart. So I was looking at the 5 wave structure where it started from the low from approximately 74K. So this would be our first wave, the second wave, the third wave, and right now we have also finished the fifth wave, or also we there is a possibility that we can go higher, but as of right now we have crossed the previous all-time high, so which indicates fifth wave completion. So there is still higher probability we can now expect ABC correction like from here, and we can continue to take out the liquidity under this low at least. So right now you can see there is a order block here also. So this could be our A wave target, and then we can target a B wave, then another short position to end to the C wave. So as of right now, if you're still looking for a short position, so you can use the previous all-time high, because always there is a higher probability that we will retest that level, and then we can continue as a swing failure pattern on the high. So there is still chance that you can look to enter a short position. But let's see on the USDT dominance. So USDT dominance still we are expecting the same. So as mentioned on my Discord, so we are still expecting the fourth wave to end at 60.43, which indicates the all coins might have another correction, but it would be a healthy correction, and then we can continue to much higher levels. So USDT dominance now, since the C wave has completed, now we can see a 5 wave structure from here. So this will be our first wave. So next another correction, second wave, third wave, fourth, and then a fifth wave directly to towards 3.67 level. So this will be a 5 wave structure correction on the USDT dominance. So Ethereum has been looking really bullish, but right now if you notice that we were rejecting this order block at this level. So previously we retested this level and we just continue towards the downside, and the current order block right now is where we are rejecting at the current price. So next, what I'm looking at is this order block right here. So this will be the main entry target that I am looking for. So from now you can also expect a ABC correction on this. So it's something like this, and our entry would be approximately at $3,722. So if you're looking for a long position, the best area you can find is at this level. But at the current price, I won't look for a long position. But if you are a scalper, you can just scalp a little, but there is a higher probability that we will continue towards the downside. So Sol also, I'm looking for this low to be taken out as of right now. So we have completed the B wave, and I'm looking for the C wave to cross the A wave. So from the low till the current high, we can notice that the C wave could be ending at the golden pocket, where you can look to enter a long position approximately at $187. Your stop loss could be placed under this low, which will be at 172.35. And for the last take profit target, you can target the all-time high, which would be at $300. So this will be a 7.52 risk to reward trade and a 60% total net profit. So I was looking at BONK. So I'm also looking to enter a position into BONK. So I'm using this candle order block as my entry. So this is also currently looking for ABC correction. So again, I'm looking at 0.401400 as my entry, and my stop loss will be under the low, which will be at 0.401120. So after placing the stop loss, I'm going for the target of this candle. So this candle will be at 0.404655. So this will be my last take profit target, but I will also take multiple targets in between and move my stop loss to the entry after reaching the first target. So next will be ONDO. So I am looking at ONDO as well. So as you notice from the high, we can see that we have formed the first, second, the third wave, the most impulsive wave, the fourth, and then we cross the third wave. So this will be the fifth wave, and now we are looking for a ABC impulsive wave. So this was our A. Next will be our B wave, and then continuation towards the upside will be the C wave. So for the entry, I'm looking at the 1 day order block, which will be approximately at the price of 0.70699, which will be a great demand area if you're looking to enter. So if you're looking to enter at that level, I will be placing at the exact entry and the stop loss below the previous low, which will be at 0.60683. And for the last take profit target, we can be using the high, which will be at approximately 2.14947, and this will be a 14 risk to reward trade and a 200% total net profit. But as always, you can take multiple take profit targets along the way and also move your stop loss back to entry so you don't lose your position. So I was also looking at SUSDT. So SUSDT is also completing a 5 wave structure. For example, from the high, we can take this low as the first wave, the second wave, the third, fourth, and this was our fifth and final wave. So now I'm looking for a ABC impulsive wave. So from the low, we can target the first wave much higher, the second, and also the third C wave. So the entry I'm looking at is at this order block, which is an indecision candle at 0.2561. So this will be the main entry I am looking at, and I will place my stop loss below the low at 0.2136. And for the last take profit target, I'm mostly taking this bearish order block at this level at 0.5519, which will be the C wave. So this final target will give you a risk to reward of 7 and 115% total net profit, which is a good trade as a swing trader. So BNB also has been pumping like crazy. So we cannot look for a long position right now or even a short position, because this could go much higher, and then we can look for a correction. But if the price comes lower, there is a higher probability that we will test this order block, which will also take out the liquidity of this low at approximately $900, where you can look to enter a long position as a scalp long or a short term long. So your stop loss can be placed below the low at $118.57, and the last take profit target can be back above the high that it will form, and it will be a 5.38 risk reward at a 50% total net profit. So this is just a small update what I am looking at right now. So there is nothing much that can be done, but if price does goes higher from here for Bitcoin, then there is a higher chance we just take a short position. So we can take a short position at approximately 124 $545, and our stop loss can be placed above the all-time high, which will be a small stop loss of only 1.4%, and it will be at $126,300. For the last take profit target, as we mentioned, the order block can be a great target for the A wave to be completed, and this will be a 5.52 risk to reward and a 7% total net profit. But you can take multiple take profit targets. If you reach even one risk to reward, then you can take your profits and you can move your stop loss back to entry. So this is all from me for today. So this is just an update. I will be posting more videos regularly, and don't forget to join my Discord trading group. The link is in the description, and I will see you there.